Fintech, there you go, 5% down on L&T. There's PB Fintech that's getting a resounding, thumping applause from the market because of the performance in the third quarter. And then there's M&M Finance, which is a bit of a curious case because it seems that margins are under pressure. There are some question marks on asset quality, but for what it's worth, the stock's holding up pretty okay. So we'll go with these one by one, starting first with L&T. Vivek, come in over here. I mean, looking at... Okay, I don't think we have Vivek just yet. So we'll bring in Vivek in a bit. So let's go to Yash. We do have Yash on PB Fintech, starting with all things positive. Yash, tell us, so how has the performance been? And, what do you think is a takeaway at the end of Q3?
Well, it's been a strong quarter as far as, PB Fintech is concerned, and especially from the insurance vertical, that is Policy Bazaar. The market was moving with the expectation that this could be the first quarter when the company could turn profitable on the net level. And that's exactly what the company delivered in the third quarter. But apart from the profits also, which was, as I said, the first quarter, overall the business looked very strong in the quarter. The total revenue was up 43% on a year-on-year basis, under which as well the core business delivered a 40% growth. The new initiatives business delivered a 50% growth. Contribution, which is essentially your revenue minus the fixed cost, that grew by 61%. The contribution margin grew by 400 basis points as well. Adjusted EBITDA, turned profitable with profits of about 39 crore versus loss of 28 crore. The adjusted EBITDA margin, that was 4% positive versus negative 5%. And finally, as I said, the headline, profits came in at about 37 crore versus loss of 87 crore. The stock was anticipating a good quarter this time around. The stock is up about 127% this year, 30% in the last 3 months and 14% in the last 1 month itself. Despite that, we are seeing a very strong run-up of about 12-13% on that particular stock today itself. What the good results were coupled with was strong management commentary. The management in its con call and in our interview today said that the revenues for FY24 will be about 35 to 3600 crore rupees. A 30% growth in revenue should be very natural for the next few years, and they expect the company to grow 2 to 2.5 times in the next few years. Paisa Bazaar, instead of 40% growth that they were expecting, could grow at 30% because RBI's restrictions on unsecured loans. And finally, they expect 60 to 70 crore profit in FY24, but FY27, the headline guidance that they've given is 1,000 crore in profits for the company.
All right, Yash, thanks a lot for that. So that's about PB Fintech, the big mover today. Also keep an eye out on